Yeah, hello guys. AI doing wonders. You heard me right. So you've seen my thumbnail. Yes, actually, we moved that AI from that to this. So if you have been looking for how to create stunning images, to even exchange, to swap your face, Omo, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch the very end because I'll be using my screen record to show you how it works. I came across this, I was like, yes, my son's birthday. I was like, "Oh, well, let me just try it. And wow, it's changed it. Don't worry, you'll be seeing my screen record. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you watch the video to see how the magic happened. More AI now you. This is amazing. AI is super intelligent, so you can even use it to create anything you want. If you are into any business, just tell the AI what you want. Just instruct. Sit down like a CEO and instruct the AI. Give me a sophisticated lady. Yes, with jean trousers, a chubby lady with written on it Genesee or pre-order book group, standing or give me a better cake written. You will just see things happening. So if this sound interesting, sit tight, watch the screen record, and the next, if it sound interesting, also write on the comment section happy birthday to my son, happy birthday Daniel. And if also you also want the video, because I'll be uploading another video on how to swap face. Okay, this one is not the video on how to swap face. I'll be uploading another video on how to swap the face, as in from AI face to your own personal face. This is amazing. So if you've not joined the family, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like this video please, so that others can see what you're benefiting and also join. Also hit the subscribe button, and like the video, comment on the comment section. All right guys, see you with my screen record. All right guys, the first step you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser. We're going straight to the point. Amazing and stunning AI images in seconds. Go to your Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. Boom. The next thing, go to your search icon. You click Bing, bing.com/images slash create. That's the first one here, as you can see. Then immediately you click on it. So you can see this here. So you click on join and create. You can see this join and create. Click on it. Then click on sign up with my personal account. Then you put your email address. Email address as your password. Put the email address. So alright guys, when you sign in with your email address, then it comes up here, or your phone number. So you can see what they're trying to tell us. Say, want to see how image creator works? Select surprise me, then create. Select surprise me, then create. Okay, before you select surprise, we're going to say something. You're going to write a prompt. I'm going to write a prompt. Okay, steaming cup of coffee, pop art. Let's see how's this, what it's going to create. You see that your image is being created by AI. It's creating steaming cup of coffee, pop art. Wow, can you see this? You see? So every day you have 15 coins. As you can see, we've just created one and we have 14 here, 14 left. So let's go now and create something fabulous. So you're going to be writing a prompt, what you want. Okay, today is actually my baby boy's birthday, so I'm going to be writing something like that to showcase it. So if you've watched to this place, to this level, please don't forget to type on the comment section happy birthday Daniel. Thank you, because this will mean a lot a lot to me. Thank you. Okay, let's just go. A sophisticated and cute boy with gorgeous blue suits standing in front of a cake holding, okay, boldly written. Please always write that. Anything you give your AI, that's what it give back to you. So you need to be very creative. Boldly written. Let me write it down. Capital, using capital uppercase. Happy birthday, Daniel. Happy birthday, Daniel. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daniel. Okay. Okay, happy birthday, Daniel is 2. Okay. The background, the background, please, the background should be a birthday background. The background should be a birthday background written 2 years. Okay, a sophisticated and cute boy with gorgeous blue suit standing in front of a cake boldly. Okay, cake written boldly. Sorry, so I need to go back there. Written boldly. 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 Yes. Happy birthday, Daniel is 2. The background should be a birthday written. Okay. So once you get this and you've written your prompt, so if you're into any business, anything at all, write it there. Click on this create. Let's see the magic. Click on it. It's creating. It's creating. It's creating. Allow it to create. Boop, 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 boop. Wow. This is beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see that? Wow. Okay. Let me just save one. Wow, so I just downloaded the 4. These are lovely. All right, guys, if you still want to put a cute Nigerian boy, okay, let's change to Nigerian boy. Now let's click create again. Ooh, ooh. Let's see, it's creating. So you see, AI is doing one. In just a second, you've done that. All right. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click here and subscribe, join the family, and please like this video and share, because the next part, ooh, wow, this is lovely. I love this one. This lovely. Downloaded. Good. So the next one now, I will just make sure you follow and like this video, because the next video I will be showing you how to do a talking AI, how to create a talking AI with your business, for your business and everything. Wow, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to write happy birthday, Daniel. Bye. See you in my next video.